And there's a massive set of display cabinets and shop, and the ladies are dressed up in Halloween costume there. And this piece, the Golden Eagle, is a masterpiece collection, and it's 7,500. This is the piece that was given to Prince Charles as a gift, 4,200. The oval covered basket, and it goes for 2,000. The personalisation service by the master painter Rachel Love, and we spoke to Rachel. And there's a very popular item here, the Irish blessing plate. The figure of Erne, 7,500. And there's all the information about it. Lights. Oh, this would be lovely in a child's room. And they obviously do glassware as well. Or maybe not. It's, I don't know. And this is the Belleek. Possibly you'd call this a more modern range and a more functional range, and maybe within people's price range, or most people's price range. Whole counter and shelving show that Belleek are moving with the times and always expanding their repertoire, so to speak. And this is what you need to do if you're to stay viable.